Alright, so in this video we are going to cover the Motorola V8 or Moto Razr, sorry, V8. And if you can see, the mobile is pretty slim and it came I think in 2004 if I'm not wrong. And this is kind of the upgrade version of V3i. And I would say, yeah, V3i is a bit more in width, but I personally like V3i more than this V8. Of course, it looks more shiny, more, you can say, futuristic, more cool, but yeah, I personally like V3i. So if we look at this back cover, that is one of the cons that I do not like in this mobile at all. It is like kind of rubber, it's sticky, so it actually attracts each and every particle that is there. Yeah, so that is one of the things that I do not like about it. After, along with that, everything else is okay, like not so bad. So as you can see, you can every time see the time on it. And then you have the Android charging cable place here. Then you have the volume up button, volume down, and the selection button. So if it is not like it is folded, then you can still use this button. I will show you how. This button is for assistive, I think, speaking. And here you can see most of the people would like to put some kind of ribbon or hand grip. So this is the place where you can use that. And yeah, pretty much it. And let's open it up and see what is there. So you have the battery, you have the SIM card here, and there is no memory card option available, possible actually. So you lock it up. Battery I think runs for almost 1 day or 1.5 day maximum now. But this phone is actually pretty kept in very good condition from the person which I bought. Of course, he kept it in very good condition. I don't know how, maybe he never used it or something. But as you can see, if I unlock it here, you can see there is screen even with it. There is actually, I would like to try to show you. Yeah, so here you can see there is still the sheet, the original sheet, or the protective cover still available, and you can see that nowhere the color went off. So yeah, that's about the things that is visible outside. Of course, there is camera right here, and there is one more thing I hope I can show you. So if I plug in the charging cable right here, then you can see here the charging LED blinking. So that tells you actually that is charging. And then you can, of course, in this screen you can see the time, the date, the battery itself status, and the signal status. Let's open it up and let's see what is there inside. So of course I don't need to show you this, of course you know everything. So if I will put my focus on the screen, then you have the main menu. In the menu you can go and you can see the recent calls, the contacts, the office tools. So if I go to office tools, you have the file manager. In file manager you can see picture, music, videos, voice note, application downloads. Let's see what's there actually. Yeah, program 1, program 2, program 3. I don't know what it is, but yeah, you can see everything here in the file manager. Then you have web access. Okay, the sim inside included is 5G, but I don't think so this even can get 2G. But okay, let's go to browser. Of course, additional charges, and let's wait a bit so that it can show something. Okay, so here you can see, as you can see, there is these two arrows that shows that okay, there is actually connectivity. So let's go to some page that will be easy to load. So www dot go. There is no difficult to type after using the other kind of keypads. .com. Okay, google.com. Let's go. And here you can see, wow, so you can actually search. I would say you can search, and you can use the simple search option if you want to actually You can say few texts you want to search, or name, maybe name of meaning of name, sorry, of course. And then you can search it up. So I search here bird. What is bird? Bird is an animal. Birds are group of warm-blooded vertebrates. And then you have, there is no arrow, so you have to go and search in this way. Okay, let's go to images. Let's load it up. Okay, so you can get actually birds images. Let's open this up. So, okay, secure connection. This is problem in this. So I would go back, stop, back, and exit the browser. So you have browser where you can do few things. Then you have the calendar here, of course, typical things. Email, you can set it up. In my case, I didn't set anything up. So go back, Moto Sync. You can sync your profile, but I don't have in any case here. And alarm clock, so you can set three alarm here, three alarms. And then you have calculator itself, the task list, create a new task, notepad, so you can make notes on it. Pretty amazing. Yeah, people I saw making videos want to use flip phone or folding phone in 2021. And then there is sim applications and download manager. So that's all about office tools. And you have multimedia where you can have videos, camera, everything. So this mobile right inside, I suppose it is actually my data. Okay, so it's I think 512 MB. I'm not sure. Online I saw it was showing 2 GB, but I don't think so. This phone has 2 GB. It's like 128, 256, or maximum 512 MB, I would say. And then you have, of course, the camera. Let's see the camera quality. Okay, there you see the Apple logo. Okay, cool. No touch screen, of course. And then you have the video camera, the voice recorder. Okay, let's go to voice recorder. To record a new voice, press the center select key. Okay, so these are the thing in multimedia. Then of course in messaging, you can create message, you can get message, you can create an email, and then you can create a postcard. Nobody need that these days. And in the game section, you have backup. So you can backup. It's like same like you backup to your Google, but here you can actually backup to motorolabackup.com. Data charges may apply. I don't have problem with data charges. And then you have the same football game, Motorola setup, text backup, rough guides. So rough guides actually shows you things about, I think, about the cities or something. So let's go to some country. Let's go to Italy. Okay, Italian. Okay, here you can see different cities. So if I go to Assisi, yeah, I was living there actually for some time, Assisi and Roma. So what it shows. Okay, what's this web you want to use? Yeah. So basically this will take a lot of time, so I cannot show you. I think it will take like almost maybe 5 minutes for that. So but you can get, actually you can get to know which cities are in that country where you want to see. So pretty basic thing, actually it will not show you a lot of things. For example, in Spain you have the Barcelona, Toledo, Madrid, and few things. So I don't know what's the use of it. Of course you can use like map or something. Then you have the Sudoku, the pretty classic game which is in every phone. And then you have the Google Maps. Now this is amazing. You have a map in 2004 phone and it works, like it looks like it works actually. So let's see, 0 KB loading. Let it load this up. Okay, so here you can see you have the bird. So you can actually search here also. As you can see here, the search button is here. You can search, of course, but in my case I don't want to search anything because it is going to take a lot of time. I know. My location, directions. Okay, let's go to direction, enter an address, or select a point. Actually select a starting point. Starting point is bird. Starting point selected. End point is all that. Okay, press has to see on map. Okay, so it gives you direction, but I there is no GPS or something, so it will just tell you that in this point you have to go something, you have to turn right or see at the roundabout, take this. So if your battery died and in your car there is no option of charging, or you do not have any power bank or something, then you can use this pretty classic way. You can turn on to A4, go 290 meter, go to A8, and so it tells you actually basically it will save you if you do not have anything. So it can save you in this case, I would say. Then in the help menu you can get help, how to make a call, how to do everything actually. So basically everything is there. Then in the setting you have the profiles, and in the normal profile let's edit it up and let's see the tone. Select ringtone. Okay, select ringtone, preload it, and then you go artisonic. Let's play it up. So press the middle button and nice, right? And then you go back. I don't want to select. Okay, let's insert this, save it, go back. And then you have phone setting. In phone setting you can see the battery meter, battery saving time, language, talking phone, text entry, reset, properties, Java system. Let's go to properties so you can see the different versions. And then go back, and you have 3 themes here installed already. I think you can use more also, to download more. Then you have call setting, call forwarding, and everything in call setup and so on. Then you have dialing services, security, network, and everything that is basically actually in phone, every phone that was the thing. So basically you have actually basic things, everything basic is available. For an example, the call, the message, a bit of browsing, and a slim phone. And if you don't want to get addicted with the Android phone or something where you want to use every time YouTube or something, yeah, so this is your choice. Good, pretty slim, nice handy phone which you can get with you all the time, and you don't need to take extra charger because everywhere there is Android cable available these days, or USB type B. So I suppose that's all about this phone. If you have any other question about this phone, then of course do not hesitate to comment. And so here you go, the Motorola V8, and of course do not forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.